Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another unboxing video. If you know me, you know that I'm a loyal Samsung customer. I have had always Samsung phones, Samsung watch, earbuds and everything, but for the first time I've bought an Apple product. So I'm doing an unbox video of Macbook Air M2, which is like it released recently. So I have been eyeing on it for a while now. When the M1 came out, I was like, yeah, I should buy it, but then I got preoccupied and I didn't. So this time I was like, no, I'll buy it. So today we have already bought it and I just thought I'll do an unboxing video of it. So let's go and see how it works. Macbook Air. It is very light. I have probably had perfume boxes heavier than this. It's very light. So let's see what's inside that. Okay, so let's see the specification. So it's 8GB unified memory, 512GB SSD, 13.6 inches screen, and it's in midnight color. Okay, so now let's open the box. I have always seen the other people do unboxing of Apple products, and they always say, or even I have noticed, the packaging is always very fancy. Like, it's likable. I know that they don't give the chargers and everything, but at least you like the packaging. So here as well, I really like the packaging. There's a little bit of plastic, which is like normal, usual, and it's like a box. So there's like no other tape or anything. It's just like a box. So there's the laptop. It is like a flat surface, and if I didn't know it's a laptop, I'd say it's a eyeshadow palette, but way expensive. Okay, and of course, if they didn't tell us it's designed by Apple in California, you wouldn't even know. Oh, they have given a charging port, which is like amazing. I didn't expect. And the cable as well. Okay. Yeah. Let me see if there's anything else. No, there's nothing else, and this whole thing is like a solid box, so it can't even be moved or anything. The MagSafe charger. That's the port. Let's see what's inside this. Okay, I think it's the warranty card, or probably not. And nope, just documents. Oh, they gave 2 logos. They sent 2 more logos so that I can put in my 2 monitors there. Okay, let's open the actual laptop now. Recently I have been obsessed with this bluish, dark bluish navy color. I don't know why, I just love them. So that's why I chose that for the laptop as well. And as I was saying, the packaging is really food. Oh, I already tore it. That's my bad, but it's fine. Wow. Wow. I think after that I'll just move to an iPhone forever. Or probably not, I don't know. It already has some of my fingerprints. Oh, that's not good. Open it. Yeah. It is. Oh, they have these 4 touch pads, but what I have already noticed, like I just kept it for like what 30 seconds and the touch pads are already dirty. Like I just left it for 30 seconds. So okay, let's open it. Ooh, it just made. Oh, welcome. It gave me hello and hi in hundreds of language. I don't really know if it said my language yet. No, I did see some Korean and Spanish and Shao. But yeah, still saying hello. Okay, so let's set it up and come back to tell you my experience. Okay, so we have actually opened the laptop. I have done some sort of setup but not completely because of course it's too late now. So I will make another video on my experience with the MacBook Air, but for now that was the unboxing video. So let me know how you liked it, and of course if you are a MacBook user, you know everything. If you're not, then of course you'll be like me and amazed. So thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.